Welcome to the Maritime Research Center's Q2 2024 newsletter. Join us as we dive into the incredible progress and achievements from April to June. We are pleased to bring you the latest updates from the Maritime Research Center. This quarter has been remarkable with groundbreaking research and inspiring collaborations. This quarter, we partnered with organizations like Larsen Toubro and UNESCO to tackle maritime security and champion ocean sustainability. Our founder and director empowered future ocean guardians with lectures and workshops on underwater domain awareness and marine conservation. We also hosted engaging webinars that deeply explored ocean science and its wonders. In June, we hosted webinars on World Environment Day and World Oceans Day. MRC's newsletter features captivating articles on marine life, a must read for any ocean enthusiast. Our interns tackled pressing issues such as climate change, sediment management, underwater radiated noise management, and maritime security. Their dedication and innovation solutions are paving the way for a better future. Explore our recently released newsletter to receive insights and updates regarding our organization's activities. Stay with us, stay tuned. Thank you.